Hello guys, welcome back to another piggy video. And when I start the video, obviously that's on my screen. So angry. It's gone. Just have to do stuff with it. Hopefully leaving my screen. And there's been an update in Piggy. 2 since I played, but 2 new Daisy and new skins are Daisy, Torture, Heresy, and Soldier. Those are all new. And Polly, you have to go to the mall, do the vault, and then do parkour to get a skin. But today I'm going to show you the outpost and this discorded memory, whatever it's called. New game. Is the door open? All we need is right key and code. What key and flow? 1, 2, book music. You gotta be kidding me. They haven't unlocked the orange key. They are so bad at this. It's memory. That's the bot in this map. So if it's a little glitchy, and if my microphone's bad, well, they have done a lot in this map. 2 red eyes. 2 red eyes right there. Can't trust anything. Either the bot or trader or purpose bot. I have no idea. And memory. How you been? I'm running. Orange key. How convenient. Just find it on accident. The lost raptor toy. There, because I need to get my hammer. Hammer equals good things, like escaping. Hope I don't die, hope I don't die. Toy robot is mine. I'm going to do dinosaur first, because dinosaurs are way cooler. Don't you agree? Some people like robots. It's our opinions, right? And memory. And I'm dead. Bow down, memory. Like I said, it's one of my least favorite skins in Piggy. Before I said that, but let's see what we could do in Piggy. I can't be patient in games. Okay, so that's why I'm joining a new server. So let's see what we are going to be. Probably Discord memory. Knew it. It's Discord memory. Why do people like the hot new stuff? Why not the older? Or why not even the loading? Why she's why she's like one of the hardest things to do? Great, the Chapman with one way on, you know what that way is. The new game. I'm going to. Why is it have to be mad? Sorry if I'm in first. Sorry, I want to do first person because it's in first person now. I'm comfortable in first person now. And I know how first person works. Eat better. Just imagine one day you look at yours and by then you just quit the game forever. Ooh, ready. I don't know where's memory. I'm so dead. I'm still getting used to first person. Uh-oh. Just my song's annoying. Come on, get out. Code's in there. Velociraptor's in the room. I'm so dead. I'm having gone. 0 ammo. Great. I know we're so not gonna make it. Memory. I've beaten every single chapter I one, and I've beaten all the other chapters. 1 to 12. Well, I don't know if this is the 12th, but you don't know either. What do you? I'm gonna have the fun. Have the gun. You better run. You don't like that, do you? What? What? I'm so not gonna do this. Not gonna make it. Say bye to people 122 in the comment section below. Cause come get me, memory. Dun dun dun. Run. Could I'm blood. My name is God. I am blood. I don't know where I put these. Where did I put yours, guys? Or did someone steal? Memory. I know it's Pop. I'm just running. And I know Yoki should be in the basement. If you go in the basement, one way out. And that was kind of hard. No. Beautiful yellow key. Toy robot back, but I'm going to do yellow key first. Then I'm going to do toy robot. Nope. Good game, memory. Listen, and if I could get this thing to go away. Hang on. Let's see if this guy will go away. Mr. Tapper, can you go away? But I have 2065. Any skin. So comment down below skin I should get. Chapter 11, come on. I haven't made a video of chapter 11, please, chapter 11. Dang it. Boo, Discord memory. Like I showed you Discord memory, why can't I? Oh, that guy has the bee swarm hat. Ow. Please be me, I wanna be piggy, yes. That always works. I can show you the new traps. The teleporters. And you get 4 black hole traps now. It's there too. 100 million. You used to only get 2 black hole traps. Now you get 4. 4. And I can't play pig in first person. if you're wondering, I can't place a teleport trap here. And players can't. You can. It'd be cool to stay here like the entire game, but too bad. Okay. Sorry I don't have my sound on. I don't like piggy sound that much. It's so dumb. Oh, thank you. Way better. Let me show you them. When it's bright pink, you go on it. It lasts 6 seconds and lasts forever. What's that sound? No idea what it is, but I don't care. Oh, hi George, Mr. George. Hello guys, I'm back. A little break. Colors don't have a water next. But the outpost, the map that I did not show you. Pretty sure. This screen's gonna make me cuckoo. And it's player, if you were wondering. It was about to be infection, but now it's player. Sometimes Spooky's going in here. Oh, no walk. It's the piggy, here's the piggy. And it's Robbie, I know it's Robbie, I know it's Robbie, because Robbie's not in this map, he's in the mall. Oh, hi, Blue. Come on, carrot. Carrot, I have the carrot, I have the ferret. God, you go, carrot. Have the carrot, I have the flipping carrot. Who wants carrot? I know who wants carrot. Petrol pony. Also known as pony. But hi, buddy. Yeah. Come on. What? Oh my gosh, she killed a soldier instead of piggy. What the flip? You gotta be kidding me. Is that almost done? One day. You don't mind if I do? I'm gonna take it. So done. When I bust you. Let's see that shadow. That's bunny. It's either bunny's shadow or bunny's ghost, but let's just say it's applesauce, right? Don't want to chat. Why did people not do green key? What the flip? Green key's not doing. I'm gonna blow up. To do HP run. If you still ban it, but it's good. No! Oof. Well, that's it for today's video. Bye! Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and the like button.